let's talk about what can you do if you struggle with this imposter syndrome. First and foremost is self-awareness, is when you gain awareness that this is what I'm struggling with and that there is a name to it. And then, of course, ask yourself these questions as to why. Why am I feeling this? Something in your raising, something in the environment that you work. What is it that has given rise to that feeling? Because that's going to give you a lot of relief to know that there is a name to this condition, and also that you're not alone. There are many people who are struggling with this. Educate yourself, do some reading, do some research on that. Number second is, of course, therapy. Therapy is one of the best ways to overcome the imposter syndrome. You can do individual therapy, and group therapy is supposed to even help more, because when you are in a group setting, sharing those feelings with other people and knowing that I'm not the only one, there are other people in my areas who also struggle with similar feelings, can give you an immediate relief and help you recover from this feeling. Taking risks, coming out of your comfort zone, not trying to do things perfectly, and if things do mess up, be mindful of the mistakes that you make. Show self-compassion, be kind to yourself, allow yourselves to make these mistakes. And there's a technique we often try in children to help them overcome perfectionism, which is have them make something really pretty, like a beautiful artwork, and then have them just discard it, like throw it away or give it up, give it away. So that just teaches them to be okay with mistakes, and that the work doesn't have to be perfect all the time. Travel alone, for example, like traveling, and being alone just by yourself is also another way to regain that confidence. Learn to take those compliments with pride. Gather facts about the accomplishments that you've had. Applaud yourself. Whenever you have that down feeling, remind yourself that, wait a minute, it's a fact. I did accomplish this. I'm doing well. This is the feedback I got. My feedback is pretty good. Learn to take those compliments. If someone comes up to you and says, hey, what a great job you did, or you're such a great co-worker, learn to give eye contact and just say, thank you so much. I appreciate you being mindful of my work or observing my work. Slowly but surely, you will notice that as time goes by, you can overcome that feeling of imposter syndrome.